In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to navigate the course content in Microcredential 1, choosing and using tech tools for higher level learning. We're going to cover the following: 1, the general layout of each module, 2, where to find information, and 3, how and where to submit assignments. First, each of your modules will have these larger labels that identify each section of the module. As you can see, this first label says Reading and Viewing. The general layout of all modules is based on the R2-D2 online learning structure. R2-D2 stands for Reading or Viewing, Reflecting or Writing, Displaying and Doing. Reading and Viewing is where you will find videos, articles, and web links that have content pertinent to the activities in that module. Each Reflecting or Writing label previews your reflective journal prompts or prompt for that module. You may choose to write these reflections after the reading and viewing section or wait until the very end of the module after you have completed all activities. You will submit the link to your reflective journal in Module 0, as you can see here. And your facilitator will provide feedback after Module 3 so that you can make necessary revisions before the end of the microcredential. The displaying section is where you will create flowcharts, graphic organizers, charts, or visuals that help you organize the knowledge you are acquiring. Sometimes you will also find already created flowcharts, graphic organizers, charts, or visuals. Finally, the doing section is where you will find more hands-on activities, more class discussions, and more projects. Within these larger labels are what we'll call sub-labels. So these smaller boxes here. For example, in Module 0, your first sublabel says Course Overview and Structure. Under these labels, you will find a general assignment overview, right here, that explains what you are doing for that section of the module. Some links that you will click have a summary of that link beneath them, whereas other links, such as the microcredential outline link here and the course overview screencast link here, will have the overview pop up in a new window with that link. At the very beginning of every module, you will find a box labeled Module Blank Overview. Of course, in the Module 0, it says Welcome, but the other modules, it will say the module number and overview. This generally explains what the module will cover. Next, you will find your objectives for that module, and it will start with, by the end of this module, you will be able to, all of which are linked to the microcredential objectives that you can find at the very start of your course. And then after you find the objectives, you will see a list of reminders for that particular module. Remember that you will also find reminders for all of your assignments in the assignment checklist document. At the very end of every module, you will find a How do I try it box. In this space, you will find links to different tutorials and tools that will help you create some of the same things you had experiences with as a learner in that module. So for example, if you want to learn how to create a forced copy of something on Google Drive, this quick tutorial will show you how to do so. To navigate through the course, you can see a folder for each module here on the left-hand side of your screen. You can click any of the folders to be taken to that particular module. You can also view all of the modules by clicking on the main folder here, choosing and using tech tools for higher level learning. And then you will see all of the folders, so I can collapse them and see them all at once here on my main screen. The course outline mentions what's called a help forum. It says, help, I'm having technical difficulties. This is where you can find that particular help forum. Finally, all of the assignments that you need to submit will have this icon. Scroll down here to find one. This icon with a hand holding a piece of paper. All external links to somewhere on the internet will have an image of a piece of paper with the world on top of it. All hyperlinked text, like the terminology chart here, will be green and bolded. To submit an assignment, you will click the assignment's link. So let's look at this one here. You'll click the assignment's link, then you will click Add Submission. I'm not actually going to do this because I can't. And you will either paste online text, and what that means is just a link to a project that you created on a website, or you can upload the actual file. For this particular assignment, it is going to be online text because you are submitting the link to your reflective journal, so you don't need to upload a file. And then you'll click Save Changes, and that is all. That will be your submission of the assignment. I'm going to click Cancel because I don't need to submit. Please, please remember that any of the documents that you submit as an assignment, to back them up. Save them on your Google Drive and save them to a folder on your desktop. I hope this course overview helps you understand how to navigate this course.